I pulled it apart. Learned a few things on the way. But to get to all these frost plugs, that's what I needed to do. Because as you can see from that one there, this shit is fucking caked in just crap. We'll give it a wash, see what comes out. I mean, look at that. Awesome.
Station, briefcase blues, bad relations, sun beats down on my neck, heat exhaustion, I'm a wreck, colors come through on the window pane, all damn heat, I'm insane, long black cloud gonna put some in.
So it's all stripped, it's all cleaned and painted now. The only colour I had was black, so it'll have to do. I'll whack these frost plugs in. I've also, like of the other engines I play with, I've just cleaned the surfaces and then wet stoned the top of it with like a sharpening stone, but I use automatic transmission fluid as the lubricant. So I'll start banging some frost plugs back in there. Also picked up a full gasket set, a flange for the turbo I want to use, frost plugs, oil filter, thermostat, and the water pump's on its way. Frost plugs all in. And I'll do the one at the back behind the flywheel, or the flex plate. Once that's off, once I get it off and it's in here and it's off a stand, I'll do that one at the back. Well, that's the head talk down. I'm not going to lie, I was a bit terrified. The fact that I've never touched one of these before. But it's all aligned, all of the marks are where they should be. A bit hard to see, but everything is as it should be. Flywheel mark is on point. That little mark inside the cam gear, very hard to see, but that's on point. And it turns over and nothing collides. Yeah, I was very unsure about this. Well, that's something new for me. It's the injection pump all timed up. I read through the manual a few times before I even started this, but I managed to get everything exactly spot on where it needed to be. So this motor looks a lot different now. You know, I've pretty much been through it all. Rebuilt as much as I could. I even, I was quoted $500 to have the injectors cleaned, or $690 for a serviced set. I pulled one apart, found a nozzle that has a part number in it, ordered the part numbers, and got 6 brand new nozzles for around about 80 New Zealand dollars landed, and then stripped them all, cleaned them, and fully rebuilt. I'll put some pictures up of that.
Better take a jacket, so water free. Heading down the track with a heavy load, stuck for life when I see the sun. Long black cloud gonna piss on me.
But all in all, new water pump, new oil filter, it looks a lot different. But, and there's a big but, I already need another motor. I'll show you why. So, one of my mates seen a picture of this, and he's seen the rust that was in this area, and he said to me, you want to check that because it looks like there's a crack in the block. And sure enough, there's a crack in the block. It goes all the way from this frost plug down here, through this frost plug, and almost all the way to this core plug here. It's quite bad, it's quite deep. I've never welded cast before, so I'm not going to bother. So I've already been in contact with a mate, and we've got another motor on its way. We'll start again. Thanks for watching.
take a jacket, so